Hello, children. Welcome to the maths class. So, this is our revision week going on. So far we have revised lakhs, crores, predecessor, successor, rounding off, Roman numerals, international number system, addition, and subtraction. So, now let's see. We are going to do the revision on profit and loss. So, when the selling price is more than the cost price, the difference is profit. प्रॉफिट मीन्स गेन प्रॉफिट का मतलब है मुनाफा फायदा लेट्स सी द फॉर्मूला प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू एसपी माइनस सीपी एसपी मीन्स सेलिंग प्राइस सीपी मीन्स कॉस्ट प्राइस लेट्स सी एन एग्जांपल Bimla lives in Assam. She weaves a bag that cost her rupees 363 and she sold the bag for rupees 450. Find the profit. Let's see the solution. CP is equal to 363, SP is equal to 450. So SP is greater than CP, that means it's a profit. So profit is equal to SP minus CP. 450 minus 363 gives you 87. Next, loss. When the cost price is more than the selling price, the difference is loss. Loss का मतलब है नुकसान. Let's see the formula. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. Let's see an example. Seema buys Kolhapuri chappals from Maharashtra for rupees 428 but sells it for rupees 410. Find the loss. Let's see. CP is equal to 428. SP is equal to 410. So CP is greater than SP, so that's a loss. So loss is equal to CP minus SP. 428 minus 410 gives you rupees 18. Now finding cost price. So here selling price will be given and profit or loss will be given. We need to find out cost price. So CP is equal to SP minus profit and CP is equal to SP plus loss. Let's see an example. A dozen books are sold at rupees 1648 at a profit of rupees 120. What is the cost price of the books? Let's see. Selling price of books is equal to 1648. Profit is equal to rupees 120. CP we need to find out. So CP is equal to SP minus profit. 1648 minus 120 gives you 1528. Let's see one more example. Rashid incurred a loss of rupees 590 on a chair he sold at rupees 1280. What is the cost price of the chair? Let's see. Selling price of the chair is equal to 1280. Loss is equal to rupees 590. We need to find out cost price. So cost price is equal to SP plus loss. So 1280 plus 590 gives you 1870. Finding selling price. Now your cost price will be given and profit or loss will be given. So SP is equal to CP plus profit and SP is equal to CP minus loss. Let's see. Uma purchased a silk mirror wall hanging for rupees 8350. She sold it and incurred a loss of rupees 550. What is the selling price of the wall hanging? Let's see. Cost price of wall hanging is equal to 8350. Loss is equal to rupees 550. We need to find out selling price. So SP is equal to CP minus loss. So 8350 minus 550 gives you 7800. One more example. A tourist bought a walnut table at rupees 21,380. He sold it at a profit of rupees 1,500. What is the selling price of the table? Let's see. Cost price of the table is equal to 21,380. Profit is equal to rupees 1,500. We need to find out selling price. So selling price is equal to CP plus profit. So 21,380 plus 1,500 gives you 22,880. Let's revise the formula. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. SP is equal to CP plus profit. SP is equal to CP minus loss. CP is equal to SP minus profit. CP is equal to SP plus loss. So children, you can pause the video. You can pause the video and write down these formulas in your notebook and by heart the formula. Thank you.